All right, we've been showing you all morning a local zoo filled with exotic animals that are rescued from all around the area. Hey, look, they need your help. And this morning, Tracy Kennick's out in the community ready to tell us about all these exciting and amazing animals. Tracy, what's going on out there?
This is the best place. I'm totally in my happy place right now, Nick. This is Castillo's Family Farm. This is Caitlin Castillo. She's basically an angel to these animals that she's rescued and brought in, and they're trying to buy this property to continue doing their mission. But I've been loving it out here. I just petted a kangaroo. I got to feed a kangaroo, and you can bring kids out here. They have a bait shop, they have a petting zoo, and you're hoping to continue to do this mission, which you might not be able to do. So we're going to talk about your GoFundMe right now. Talk about the animals you have out here.
So out here we have several different exotics. We house exotic animals, whether that's a rescue or owner surrender, things like that. We take these animals in whenever owners either can't anymore, hit hard times, or things to that nature.
And this is a Coated Monday, you were telling me.
Yes.
It's absolutely sweet, and it's like a raccoon, but so nice.
Oh yeah, he's like a puppy. He loves to be loved. He loves to play. We actually give him like enrichment toys. He's very destructive though. So like when we give him something, it normally kind of like implodes in his cage.
Okay. And let's go because I think this is my favorite animal so far. But every one of them is so sweet, and some of them have been abused. But where did you get this kangaroo?
So Jax, I actually purchased him in Borer, Texas, probably about a year ago finally. He is one of our main attractions as far as the petting zoo goes. He goes to the birthday parties. He loves kids. He loves them, loves them.
Okay, so talk about that. You can hire you out for events.
Yes, absolutely. We can do birthdays, we can do festivals, therapy events at health and human rehabs or retirement homes. We do have one scheduled today actually, so right after this they'll be leaving.
Okay.
It's very affordable. We try and be affordable for everybody because mainly we would like to keep us open, and we know that times are tough.
Sure. So
we keep it affordable so that way people will continue to come and help us support these animals in their feeding habits.
So between 10 and $5 will let you come and see all the animals out here, and then you have bait as well. And talk about your GoFundMe.
So our GoFundMe has been set up for about a day now. We're trying to get the funds to purchase the property. Since we are self-funded, it is a lot harder to do because it's just me and my husband funding this. Yeah. So the donations are almost few and far between, but we're trying to push for that right now. We did just get our first $50 donation.
Woo! Thank you.
Whoever that was. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for that. Let's get it all the way to the $175,000.
Yes,
we can do this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. If we did that, then that would take a lot of stress off of us, and we'd be able to expand this and give better enclosures, bigger facilities, and house more animals.
Okay, if people want to come by, where are you located?
We're located at the corner of 92 and 190 in Woodville.
All right, Castillo Family Farm, they're doing great things. I've seen some of these beautiful, abused and neglected, abandoned animals, and we just need to continue doing their mission because they're doing some great things out here.
Absolutely amazing. You know what? Christiana's birthday is on Saturday. I would love to rent a kangaroo, maybe that big old snake, that donkey. Bring them all to the station.
I don't do the snake. But look, Sheldon will come. Sheldon will come.
Hey, listen, that right there, that pony is perfect. That would be perfect. This is awesome, Tracy. We appreciate you big time. We'll see you back here at the station. Hey, for $5, go out there and go support. I mean, support local there. All right, come